I'm so lazy. Yo, today it's a Wednesday and I have so much to do, but I'm lazy. Like, I'm lazy. I don't know why. I just had my breakfast now, and time it's what time is it? 11:30, and then I want a bath and then run errands. So yeah, hey guys, if you're new here, hi, I'm Linda Muslim. Please do subscribe and join the family, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Never mind my nails, I'm going through a lot, and even my hair, it's just a mess. Okay, so but that one is not a problem, because when I come back I want to relax my hair, because it's a lot. So yeah, and then let me go and bath, and then I'll see you guys when I'm done. I'll take you with me when I run my errands. So yeah, bye. So it's about time now. I'm going to run my errands. See you guys when I get back. The lighting, it's so nice. Yeah, I'm just wearing simple. I'm just wearing a tight, a black shirt and slides. So bye. So I'm back. Please never mind this part if it's irritating me. So I'm back right now. I just wanna show you guys what I bought. So basically I'm doing a grocery haul. Let me start. So I think this angle it's not the one, but anyway, it is what it is. So I have this and this. By the way, I'm not from Woolworths, I'm from Pick n Pay. But you know the truth. You know the truth. So I bought juice. This is the only juice that I drink. Yeah, that's the thing. And then I bought mayo, and then I bought soup, and then I bought soap, spice, yum yum, and sugar. The lighting keeps on changing. What the hell? And then I also bought maize meal, ace, and then I bought 2 packs of noodles. I bought Devon curry and beef, my favorite. And then I also bought tissue and meat. Let me show you. And I also bought meat. This is pork, and then this is wors. And then I also bought burgers. Yo. So right now I just want to make lunch and chill. Yeah, because I'm tired. Oh, I want to relax my hair, so let me make lunch and then relax my hair. See you guys on my next clip.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels.
So we just ordered food. Today it's a Monday, and then it's my cousin's birthday, so we're just chilling, drinking, and having some fun. So I can't vlog because there's too much noise, and yeah, now she's just fishing food, and she's not impressed. Here's the food, guys. The reason why she was laughing, you can see. Like, that's why I feel like
I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I.
Hey guys, welcome back to another clip of the vlog. So today it's a Monday, and after 2 weeks, I think, or 1 week, somewhere there, I'm picking up a camera and continue with the vlog. So today I'm baking. Basically that's all I'm doing today. I'm baking, and I wanna organize my wardrobe, but I won't bother you with that. So right now I'm just preparing to bake. I'm baking muffins using easy mix. So let me show you guys everything, and I hope you do enjoy this video. Continue to subscribe and comment down below, okay? So the lighting is not the best, but please bear with me. I have everything here. I have easy mix, and I only need 4 extra large eggs and 3 20 milliliter of cooking oil, and then 400 milliliter of water. So I don't have large eggs. I'm just gonna use 3 I think this is small, yeah, small eggs, and then I have 320 milliliter cooking oil, and then 400 milliliter of water. Okay, so let me start the process. I don't know how I'm gonna show you guys because I don't have the space here, honey, but this package is not full. I used it before, so it's half, so I'm just gonna use it all, and then yeah, I'm gonna use 3 eggs. I think I will show you guys the process when I put everything inside the pan, but now I'm just gonna do the mix alone because I don't have space, honey. Okay, all the time I thought I was recording, actually I was not. Just imagine, I was talking alone. Okay, so here are my eggs, 3 eggs in here, and then I'm gonna mix eggs with cooking oil. Zelani ngikanyiseleni. I don't want to put too much cooking oil because it's gonna mess up everything, honey. What about? I think I need to add more of cooking oil. To mix everything. Hey guys, so today it's a Friday and I'm ending today's video here. I'm sorry if you can hear the echo outside. I just opened my window, it's hot. So yeah, I'm ending today's video here. I hope you did enjoy, and keep on subscribing, keep on liking, commenting down below, positive things only, okay?